Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have items from several places, so let's get started. But first, I like to show you a stamp set that I received from Sybil. She's Sybil B here on YouTube. I won her giveaway, and she gave away this really sweet pink fresh studio stamp set, and it's called it's always lifting. It's always uplifting, I think. Yeah. And it's super cute. Talks about friends and so grateful for friendship. And I really appreciated this card. This stamp set is so lovely. And then she also gave me one of her sweet, adorable cards. Sybil is such an awesome colorist. And it says, we go together like hot dogs in a drink. And she gave me some rub-ons, some washi rub-ons for Easter. And also this cute little envelope full of rub-ons. Let's look at the, oh, no, I tore it. Oh well, I tore that. Gentle, Felicia, gentle. And inside here is all these cute little stickers. Adorable. Look at that. Camera. And Easter bunnies. Sailboat. Look at that bunny. Super cute. Thank you so much, Sybil. Look at these eggs. They're really pretty. Look at that. It's adorable. Can you see? And bunnies. And like a phone with the like a map. And little bear. And look at that sweet little panda. Thank you so much, Sybil. I really appreciate it. I was so happy to win your giveaway. Next up is from scrapbook.com. I purchased a couple of dies from LDR, and one of them was this folded ribbon banner. It's 2 dies. Got that, and I picked up this a half an inch stitch slimline background strips, and it's 1 die that cuts out all these strips. I'm totally disappointed in this die, the ribbon die. I cut it out here somewhere to show you. So this is how it cuts out, and you bend it back, and you can either tack it down or leave it up a little on your project. But this was the smaller one, and then the larger one that I cut out, it just did not cut out very well. It didn't emboss the fold line. I'm looking for it here, and I really had to press it down, and this one too, so I was kind of disappointed in this set. So that was from LDR. And then this one, it cut out beautifully. I cut out some pink and yellow stripes that I'm going to use on a card for Easter, but you see it cuts out really nice. So I really like that. Even though you're supposed to use it for a slim line, I cut it out several times using the different colors, and it cut beautifully. So that's from LDR. So from Amazon, watching Sybil's video, and she purchased these really cute, I don't know if they're cute, oh cute, these jelly rope pins, and they're classic 10, and they're white, and it's 0.5 millimeter. The jelly rope pin that I had previously, it just did not work very well. It skipped, and it just won't even write now, and I barely used it. So I can't wait to try this to see if it works better than the one I previously had. And then I picked up some Cricut craft board. I was watching, I think it was Happy Mail Queen here on YouTube, and she had picked up this craft board in the holographic neon. And I didn't have anything like this in my stash. So here is the pink. No, it's pretty loud. I don't know if you can really pick up the holographicness of it. But it comes with these really pretty colors. Let's see. It doesn't say on the packaging how many colors you get. Here you go. On the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. 30 sheets, 6 of each, 5 colors. So I can't wait to use this. I don't, like I said, I don't have any paper like this, so this was pretty exciting for me. Got that. And then from Simon Says Stamp, I picked up several things from Simon Says Stamps, several stamp sets, a couple of stamp sets, I should say. It's not several, but a couple. I'm looking for them all here. I guess this is it. Huh. So I got this one stem set. It's called Say It All Friend. And it has all these wonderful sayings. It's a 26 piece. I really like the larger ones. Thinking of you, girlfriend, thankful for you, here for you. And some of the smaller sayings I really liked. Friendship is the comfort of knowing that even when you feel alone, you aren't. And then wherever you are, no matter how long we're apart, you're always in my heart. How sweet is that? So I really like this set. And then this one is the XL Happy Birthday Greeting 12-piece. So I'm just trying to get some new birthday stamps for my stash. Kind of tired of the ones I have. Happiest of birthday to you. Here's to one more trip around the sun. Isn't that really cute? I'm gonna make a card out of that for a giveaway next month. And this does have a die set that goes with it, but it's like $39 or something crazy like that. So I won't be buying that right now. But who's to say I won't get it later? I've known to do that. And then I also picked up, I picked up this no line coloring stamp pad. I was watching Christina Warner, and she used this to stamp her design, and then she colored it, and it doesn't show the outline of the design. So I want to try that. Who knows what'll happen with that. And then I actually got a freebie, and it says thank you. It's the die and the word die, and then the shadow behind it. So I really like that. Let's thank you. And let's see, from the Happy Planner, I don't really normally show my planner items, but I'm kind of wanted to share today. And from the Happy Planner, I picked up this memory keeping Floral Memories 578 piece sticker book, and it is really nice. I think I may have used something out of here already, but some really nice florals. I love putting florals in my planner. Words I'll try to incorporate, but aren't those pretty? Really pretty. Flamingos, and just a really nice book. And then I picked up these this 60 sheet paper, and these are things that I could just put in my planner, and so I can make a list. I picked this one up also, but late night shopping, when I should be doing late night sleeping, got the best of me. I thought this was for the big planner, which is what I have, and this isn't, but I'll try to incorporate it anyway. And then they gave me this cute little cheetah sticker. Really nice. Love to get the freebies. Next up, let's see. I think from Honeybee Creations. I was watching Mo Creations here on YouTube, and of course, I love watching Melissa's videos. She's such an awesome card maker, and then she's an enabler too, because she talked about Honeybee Stamps having a sale, and of course, I went right over there, and I picked up this, well, goodness gracious stamp set, and it says thank you. And thank you for your kindness. You're sweeter than honey. And this is how it stamps. It just stamped out really beautifully. I love honeybee stamps. They seem to never let me down. I just did that twice. And then the sentiments, I kind of got it pushed a little hard, I think, on the end to get that extra dark coloring there. And then I also picked up the Goodness Gracious Honey Cuts. And this is the words. And I thought I had them here to show you. Oh, here they are. So I cut them out in this really pretty pink and green. It says gracious. And then it has a little flag in it also. Here it is in the pink, with the pink lettering. So that was the Goodness Gracious Honey Cut. And then I even went on back to Christmas and picked up this really cute one. And this one is called Buzzworthy Stamps, I think. Oh, no, this is Christmas Blessings. I'm sorry. And it has some really cute sentiments here. And I cut those out, and I actually got the die cut to go with it. So I could cut them out easily. So here's the Silent Night. And Jesus is the reason for the season. Love that one. I like them all. Christmas Blessings. And then it has the square die that you can cut out the outline. You can do it like that. And then the circle die like that. The only thing is it has the scallop edge, but that cuts separately, which is kind of good if you want to make different color scallop edges. So it, you know, I had to kind of tape it on for just to show you guys. But this is how it cuts out. So like that. Let's see. Let's put that aside. Got a lot going on today. So that was Honeybee Stamps. And then once again, watching Sybil, she showed this really pretty sticker book for her planner that she purchased from Live Love Posh. And I went over there. Mostly everything was sold out. But they did have this one sticker book, and it was called Oops. So it has some slight errors in it. But the flowers are so pretty. So I can't wait to look at those flowers. Aren't they pretty? Can't wait to use these in my planner. These are just gorgeous. And I actually already used some. I couldn't help myself. These blue ones. So pretty. So thanks, Sybil, for showing that and giving me information about this company. Let's see, from Stamping Up, I picked up a stamp set and a new die or a punch. And this is this Hello Ladybug. This was so cute. It's a photopolymer stamp set. And I was watching Quita Bug here on YouTube. She is my Stampin' Up person. And she had a card made out of this. It was so adorable. And here's the stamp set that cuts out the body and the wings. So I'll be sharing some cards made with that soon. That's from Stamping Up. And then I went to, I wanted to show you the coupon for, Simon Says, sorry, it's Tweet 42. And this is until 5:30. Tweet 42, 5:30 gets you $5 off. It helps with the, I always think it helps with the shipping. Let's see, next I picked up some items from Frank Garcia. Just some paper that I saw on his channel. Not his channel, but yeah, his website. And it's called the Indigo Collection. It's by Prima and Frank Garcia. And this is Believer. And I thought these were beautiful. This is the Indigo Collection Believer. And then this one is called Documented. Isn't that pretty? This is the prettiest paper. such a sucker for paper. And then this one is called Authentic. Some beautiful cut aparts. I was really drawn to this one. I am confident. Isn't that really pretty? So I got a couple sheets of that one. And then from my local JoAnn store, which is going out of business, but they are building a new one right next door, basically. I picked up a few things. I can't stop going in there. I got some diamond dots in this orange and green color. And then I got some trim. This really pretty, like, ruffle folded trim. And then this really pretty, like, daisy. And this black woven look. Super pretty. I'm not too sure about this one. It's pearl inlays. Kind of dainty. And then last but not least, this ruffle black. I thought this was sexy. I don't know how that's going to translate on a card. Sexy card, I guess. I don't know. Picked up this, I love this size, 3x3 cards and envelope. And then I picked up, let's pull everything over here. I picked up this 48-piece sticker set from Obed Marshall. And it's the Buenos Dias collection. So all these items are on a super low price, not what's marked here. This stamp set by Hero Arts. It's bold and Brave and Bold by Emmy Tangerine, 6-piece magnets. I hope I'm in camera. And this Brave and Bold 248-piece sticker sheets. Sticker books. I really like this one. This is a great, I purchased this before. But these stickers are really nice in my planner. Look at that. It's really pretty. Look at those. Black and white. Alphas that I hardly ever use. And then these by Paige Evans. It's 36 puffy stickers. And the Studio G 10-piece. It's a little die and stamp set. And then another planner sticker book. It's called Farmhouse. And this one has lots of farmhousey stickers. But once again, some pretty flowers. And I like these too. Something different from a sticker book. Yep. And let's see. Also from JoAnn, I picked up some paper. And I probably shared some of this paper previously, but it was such a good deal. I couldn't pass it up. And this is Jane Hatfield's Peaceful Heart collection. It's Tranquil. These pretty koi looking fish. And then a few sheets of that. And then this cut apart ones is called Good Things. I love this one. Slow down, deep, and breathe deep, take time. And this one is called Balance. Then I picked up a few of the Garden Party Maggie Holmes Beautiful Bows. This video is getting long, isn't it? And then this Paige Evans designs from Bungalow Lane by American Crafts. And they just have numbers to distinguish the patterns. I really like this one. And I believe that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to have some project shares coming up soon. I've been kind of super busy with work and not being able to take the time to film with balancing, you know, work and home life. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're a current subscriber, thanks for sticking with me. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye.